Here we're looking at multiplication and division of fractions. This is M&M questions 4 and 5. For multiplication and division of fractions, we're going to do the multiplication part first, and I've spelt it correctly this time. Last video I had a mistake. We can just multiply straight across, numerators with numerators, denominators with denominators. So here's our first question. All that we need to do for this one, 5 times 1 is 5, 8 times 3, 24. That's pretty easy. For something like this, to avoid getting big numbers, we can cross-cancel. So by cross-cancelling, I'm going to say how many times will 10 go into 20? 10 goes into 22 times. Now notice we're cancelling numerators with denominators. So make sure that you do that. It's always the numerators cancelling out with the denominators. One at the top and one at the bottom. Is there any other way we can cancel out? It goes into 1. 7 goes into 7 once, and 7 goes into 21 3 times. So my equation now looks like this. It looks like 1 times 2 over 1 times 3, which is 2/3. So we can cross-cancel. Really handy trick to avoid getting high numbers. The next one, again, look at cross-cancelling technique here. So I can cross-cancel here. 5 goes into 15 3 times, and 2 goes into 22 11 times. That's going to give me an answer of 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 11 is 33. So 1 over 33 is my answer there. When we do division of fractions, we have to do a new method. And the new method is to turn the second one upside down and multiply. So here we go. We've got the 1/4, and I'm going to change it to a multiplication and make it 4 over 1. And then I can cross-cancel. I can go 4 goes into there once, 4 goes into there twice, and my answer becomes 5 ones are 5 over 2 ones are 2, 5 over 2, or 2.5. 2 goes into 5 twice with 1 left over. Now, why does it work like that? How come we can do that? I'm going to show you with a little diagram. As you can see here, I've got a box here with 5 of the 8 bits shown, and we're dividing it by a quarter. So you can see that a quarter here, I'll just show you, this quarter here is the same shape as this one here. So we've got a quarter. Hold on a minute. Let me stop that. So here I've shifted in a quarter into there. So that's how many times will 1/4 fit into 5/8 is the question. So when we have a look at this, whoops, and let's just do this again. When I have a look at this and select it, so I'm going to select, I'll just draw another one. Just a moment while I view this, insert. I'm going to draw another quarter here. So here's my next quarter. And then if I draw a third quarter, I see that it won't quite, oops, I have to draw another one here. It won't quite fit. I've got 2.5 quarters. That's why the answer is 2.5. So you can see that 2 quarters fit, 1, 2, and this one, this last box here, is only half of a quarter. That's why my answer is 2.5. So the second fraction for division, turn upside down and divide, multiply rather. So this one here, let's do the same sort of thing. Let's turn the second one upside down. Here it is. We've got 4/11, and we're going to times it by 33 over 16. How many times will 4 fit into 33? So we go 4 into 16, that will go in 4 times, and 11 will go into 33 3 times. So the answer will be 3/4, 3 over 4. Turn the second one upside down and multiply when you're asked for division.